All right, let's talk about how you can change the currency in Excel. So here we just have some sales data across multiple years for every single month. Now, right now that all of these sales numbers are in dollars, but let's say that we want to change the type of currency that this is currently in. So let's say this last column here, we want to change all of these dollar amounts into euros or whatever the currency might be. So the first step is to select all of the cells that you're wanting to change to a different currency. So we'll select this entire column here. We'll right click and then select Format Cells, and this little pop-up menu will appear. And under Currency, where it says Symbol, if you hit this drop down, it'll give you tons and tons and tons and tons of options for different currencies. It looks like it actually even has Bitcoin here. In this case, we'll just switch to Euro. I'm not super familiar with this currency, so we'll just select this option here, hit OK, and all of those will change to euros. Now, we can do the same thing with any range of cells that we select by just hitting the Format Cells. And then we're actually going to put this one into Bitcoin for fun, hit OK, and remove some of those decimal places. Now, when doing this, you can also, when you're formatting these cells, you can also change the amount of decimal places you want it to reflect, as well as how you want it to reflect negative numbers. But there you have it. That's how you can format into different currencies in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.